Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Gucci Marmont mini camera bag in the pastel blue. It's a part of the Towards the Sun collection. I think it's pre-fall 2020. My boyfriend got this for me for my birthday and I was super excited because the pastel blue is my favorite color. And I'm going to be showing some close-ups. As you can see, it's a beautiful shade of pastel blue with shiny silver hardware. The leather is super soft. The chain is a good weight. The stitching is also super amazing on this bag. I'm usually really picky on minor details like stitching, but this one passed the test. I haven't seen many reviews on this exact bag in this exact size. I have seen reviews on the super mini and the regular small camera bag, but not the mini. For some reason it wasn't on the Gucci website, but I could find it on the Nordstrom website. On my birthday we went into the store and I saw this size and I just had to get it. It's the perfect size for every day. I'm going to be including a clip on what fits in the bag in just a second. Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you what fits inside the bag. I can fit my hand sanitizer, my keys, which were attached to my Louis Vuitton clé, my glasses holder, a tampon, glasses cleaner, my iPhone charger, chapstick, some Tiger Balm, some cream, mask because coronavirus, and I can also fit my phone inside, but I was using it to film. It zips pretty comfortably. You can wear it on your shoulder. I normally don't because I'm kind of short, but I like to wear a crossbody, and with this one you can adjust the strap to make it even longer if you'd like. You can always tuck the strap in to make it look like a clutch. Overall, I really like this bag. It's been pretty good so far, and I'm glad Gucci came out with it. Thanks for watching.